Hello everyone, today I will continue with the cleaning and greasing the rails. So for that, first I will clean the rails with isopropyl alcohol. Then I will use a heat gun to get rid of the little particles from the tissue. And after that, this carriage has holes. Normally these are for the putting grease on the carriage, but I'm not sure they are that ended or it's really for greasing it. So I will try with syringe. If it does work, if it will work, it will be easier. Otherwise I need to feed the grease from bottom the rails. So I'll start with this one. You don't have to remove your carriage, but yeah, I will remove it, it will be easier. If you are removing your carriage, you need to be careful while you are putting back, because you may lose these balls, which you don't want. Yeah, if you are being careful, just slowly, and if you slowly feed it, there shouldn't be any issue. But like I said, you don't have to remove it. Basically, I fed a little bit grease on the holes on the carriage, but it got a little bit, but I didn't do over. I couldn't do enough from there that I felt. So I used the old method. I removed the carriage, greased on top of the balls, and put carriage back, and I fed them. Did the back and forth, and I fed them from the back. I fed the grease from the back, and again do a lot of back and forth. And now it's not, of course, moving that much freely, but there is no strong friction. It's just like you can feel the grease now. Of course, my another purpose is protecting the rails from the dust, so that's why I also grease the rails. And of course I clean the back of the rails because I don't need grease in there, and I clean the on top of the carriage, and that's all. Now one of them is ready, and now I will do same things for the others. See you in a bit. finished all the rails. Now they seems fine. They are greased. Obviously they are moving harder, but you are feeling this smooth movement on them. So that's what we want. Yeah, basically the syringe didn't work. I couldn't manage it. I don't know. I simply used the old method, remove the carriage, put the lube on them, on the balls, and put the carriage back to the rail and do the back and forth and apply lubricant again on here or on the rail, so we can just do back and forth. I repeated these steps until I satisfied with the movement. So, and that was all for this episode. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.